The government is waiving off almost 10,000 crores of rupees. This is a huge amount. In fact, out of close to 15,000 crores of rupees, what actually are due, we are waiving off 10,000 crores of that money and facilitating this OTS. This would give them freehold title, meaning they would have the right, they would have the title to sell the property if they want the very next day, or gift it to somebody the very next day, or even pledge this property in a bank for any of their individual purposes the very next day. Scheme is a waiver of registration fee. In fact, the house and the property put together, in many cases, average is ranging from 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. So it's very important that as proper awareness is created and properly it is spoken about. In fact, the people who are critical about this scheme might comment so many things. The worst part is, why didn't the previous governments not do it? Why didn't the previous governments not even waive, forget about the waiver of the amount of loan outstanding, but they never even bothered to waive the interest part. Forget about the outstanding loan part. These people who have not done even that, these people who have not even done to that extent, are now commenting because they are anti-poor. They don't want this kind of rights over this property bestowed to the people, to the poor. That is the problem with these people. So this would have to be properly explained to every individual, and these people should be told about the benefits of the scheme. So far, the scheme is already started receiving good response.